Hi Flip Nation, it's Josh. Hope you're having a good day. Go ahead, hit that bell, like, comment, subscribe. Just want to show you 4 new cards I got that I'm investing in. If you have been watching my series here, we're at 15 cards, sold to Luca, and now we're at 14. So once we open these 4, we'll be at a total of 18 cards invested. So I'll go ahead and show you each one, why I purchased it, how much I bought it for, and what it's currently going for. And then later today, I have another video of a card that I expect to pretty much 2-3x within the next few months. All right, first card. So this is Derek Carr, number 115, PSA 10. These cards were selling for $20 to $30 back in March, and now they're at $75. I anticipate them to just continue to go up. If you guys watch Vegas Dave, he's huge on these right now, the Derek Carrs. So here's what I bought it for and what it's going for. All right, so next card. Yep, so this, if you've been following me, I already know what card this is. Kevin Durant, number 2. This card I got for under $300 less than a week ago. And it's already at $450 on StockX, $500 on eBay. Guys, I'm telling you, I don't tell you cards to invest in that I don't think are going to go up. All of these cards that I told you are winners, except for Zion Williamson, which everyone kind of lost out on him. But this is number 2, so I'll show you what I paid and what it's worth. Here's a third card. This one came from StockX. You guys know I'm a huge Luca fan. I got this one for $425. I'll show you and what it's currently worth. I think these rings are going to pop, especially with Luca hitting the 40 points yesterday in the playoff game, setting that record. So I'm probably going to let this one go around $1,500. So looking for that 3x. And the last card for this video, and of course at the end I'll show you how much I spent total and how much they're worth now, is another Saquon Barkley. We paid $369 for this one. If you watched my video yesterday, you know this one's already above that. Number 10. So now I have 2 of these, both under 400, and right now it's, I think, at 500, so we're winning. Those are my cards for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Of course, once I get more, I'll post more, as always. But these are the 4 cards. Stay tuned. If you have time later, I'm going to post another video of a card that I think is going to at least 2-3x, possibly moon. Thank you, Flip Nation. Have a good day.